Managing requests shouldn't be scattered. With Synclo, every ticket is tracked, managed, and resolved in one seamless flow. An employee can quickly raise a new ticket by adding the category, details, and request information. Once submitted, the ticket is created and marked as unassigned, ready to be handled by the relevant team. Managers or admins can view all incoming tickets across the organization from a centralized dashboard. The ticket is then assigned to the right user or team to ensure quick and accurate resolution. Once assigned, the ticket is opened and actively worked on, keeping everything visible and trackable. After the issue is addressed, the ticket is marked as resolved, updating its status instantly. The employee can now see the resolved status and review the outcome directly from their dashboard. Once confirmed, the ticket can be closed, completing the life cycle. If needed, tickets can be reopened at any time, ensuring nothing is left unresolved. All closed tickets are stored and easily accessible for future reference and reporting. Get complete visibility into your support performance with real-time analytics. Track ticket volume, resolution times, workloads, and identify trends to continuously improve operations. Your help desk isn't just managed, it's optimized. With Synclo,